Hi everybody, welcome to my channel guys. How are you doing today? I hope you are having a beautiful day, and I hope that you are using perfumes guys that inspire your day, every single day. And I would like to ask you guys, what type of perfumes are you wearing, or which one have you been using, let's say, last week? Is there anything that perhaps made you super happy? Let me know guys. Today's topic guys will be super simple. I have 6 random Middle Eastern perfumes. Some of them are sharp, some of them are kind of jasmine-y, and some of them are super nice to wear. I will show you my scent of the day, and some of them, like this, is super nice to wear, guys, and some of them are so popular. And what's the reason they are popular, guys? I don't know. We will discover, guys, together. So I want to tell you guys that I have been having this like a blocked nose that actually affected my smell a little bit, but it's only temporal guys thing. And I now, after a few days, I start to get back my sense of smell, but actually it's a bit strange feeling, to be honest, not to be able to smell, not even to be able to smell, let's say, Dettol or anything. But right now it's coming back, and I think, to be honest, guys, I do prefer to be able to smell something, I do prefer that. So let's talk about, guys, about oud. What's that? Oud Faza, guys. Oud Faza. So, guys, I bought this. I show you the box. I bought this perfume, guys, recently. It's my new purchase, I would like to tell you, first of all. And Oud Faza. So, guys, this perfume, I saw someone, on Instagram bought it, and I thought, what an interesting bottle, guys. I bought it. But what mistake I made is that I paid too much, perhaps because I saw later on that it's possible to buy it for cheaper. I bought it for around approximately 28 pounds, although it's possible to get it cheaper if you actually have patience to look for it, or it's really possible. So guys, it's a bit expensive. But is this perfume pleasant, guys? Oud Faza, okay? So I would like to reassure you guys that this particular perfume is pleasant, guys. It really was similar to me to Pour Oudi by Lattafa. You know that perfume Pour Oudi, that there is this, I thought it's cinnamon sticks floating in the perfume, but actually someone told that it's oud sticks, so that's interesting fact. So from little that I can smell with my blocked nose, guys, this perfume is pleasant. It's less strong than Pour Oudi. They both are very nice. I like both of them, to be honest. So they have a little bit of oud. That type of oud that you could find in this one as well. But this one, guys, is more sharper than this, So that means this perfume is more pleasant to wear on a daily situations. Like, let's say, if I would be choosing a perfume now, which one to wear, I would go with this one, only because this one is a bit too strong, And let's say if we would compare them both together, so let's say I have this Opulent Wood, guys. So there are, as you all know, guys, there is Opulent Wood, and also there is Opulent Musk as well, So you guys all know it is. Let me open the. Maybe I will show you later on. So I got this one first, and then after. Guys, so Opulent Wood, what was the feeling is that it was sharp at the beginning, sharp with oud and with those type of spices that not extremely pleasant it felt at the beginning, those first 10 minutes. But then after, the dry down becomes better, and it actually also becomes more interesting, the dry down, Some people say that this one has certain type of, it seems like a little dupe of something else. I don't remember what, but something also quite famous, and something unique. So if you will be wearing this type of Opulent Wood, you will be wearing, guys, a sharp perfume, unusual, that it wouldn't have anything to do with any designer perfumes. You would be basically smelling unique on its own with some kind of perfume that is very unusual. Same goes with this one. So Oud Faza, guys, has something taken from Opulent Wood, and mixed with other things like jasmine with white florals. There is also citrus over there as well in Oud Faza. There is citrus, and this one I would consider more feminine than this one. So this one is slightly more masculine, and this one is tiny bit more feminine, maybe because of that jasmine. On the notes, actually, I didn't saw any jasmine, on the notes, but I believe there must be something. I really felt like there is citrus for sure, and plus oud and something else. So that's, guys, interesting perfume. The longevity was around like 5 hours, with later on maybe wanting a little bit to top it up. So let's say if you are choosing which one to buy, perhaps, I would, guys, recommend you to buy this one, especially if you are a lady, go with that one. But this one, you guys can use both of them. If you want strong perfumes with stronger oud, that you really like those type of stronger perfumes, go with that one, Opulent Wood. But perhaps don't expect, guys, to wear this perfume Opulent Wood every day, because it can be a bit too sharp, unless you really like sharp perfumes for every day-to-day basis. So I'm not that type of person. I more prefer lighter perfumes, sometimes, but for a change, I enjoy, guys, wearing this perfume. So now let's go with the others. I'm gonna grab more perfume. So then, guys, I have this one. I have Opulent Musk, this type of velvety box. As you can see, I got this perfume a little bit later, and I was very curious, guys, to see what is this about, what are these bottles about. And guys, let's say which one I prefer, this one or this one. I would say I would prefer this one. The white Opulent Musk, to me, I would compare it as, Anabiath Rouge mixed with Sheikh Al Sujuk. That's how I would compare, guys. But if I would need to buy this one or this one, I would go with that one, because it's slightly more wearable than this. They both are wearable. You have to not to overspray it, guys. There is this type of musky type of feeling too, like musky feeling, Anabiath Rouge mixed with Sheikh Al Sujuk, this type of cocktail, of Middle Eastern vibe. The bottles, guys, of these, the bottles are just brilliant. As you can see, guys, I have no complaints about the bottles, and I have no regrets. To be honest, this one lasts pretty long. You pretty much don't need to reapply it, kind of, if you are wearing Opulent Musk perfume. So this one is more feminine, this one is more masculine, this one is slightly more feminine, as I said before, So I'm gonna put it back, guys. Now I would like to tell you guys my scent of the day, which, to be honest, every day when I choose perfume, I think about, let's say, Dirham Vardi, the pink bottle, or every day, guys, I think about this one, Midnight Wood. It's just because I feel like I'm leaning towards this one, kind of like if I wouldn't be testing anything, I would be wearing this perfume more often. But sometimes I just want to test perfumes, so I don't wear this every day. But guys, as I said before, I hated this Midnight Wood perfume at the beginning, because it seemed to me like a pickle smell, with some kind of cocktail of yellow spices. But to be honest, I end up loving it. So that's like a love and hate type of perfume, which that love continuing, guys, now forever. I really like this perfume. I really, guys, recommend you to give it a go if you want to have an adventure. Everything about this perfume is just wonderful, guys. It's a dupe to Amouage Interlude. I have never tried, guys, Amouage Interlude, but I think I noticed the man very often are interested, guys, in this perfume. Man very often are interested for some kind of reason, and but I really enjoy to wear it myself. I got compliment. I noticed that people are interested in this perfume. I think it's surprising for people to wear, to feel this perfume, because it's not something that you would, easily smell on another person, because it's very unusual perfume, and it really, I noticed it intrigues people, if you wear this perfume. So let's say if you guys buy this perfume and you end up thinking that, oh my goodness, you don't like this perfume at all, don't get disappointed. Keep wearing this perfume, because you might discover that people will start complimenting you, and you will not even understand what is going on, and then you will end up loving it. I was layering, guys, Midnight Wood with this Choco Musk, from a rehab, and it got even more better. It's just kind of like, I don't know, just that type of spicy type of fresh, spicy uniqueness, and that freshness was just like projecting in a like insane way from me, and I was just so happy. So that, guys, is my scent of the day. Like, it's so unfortunate, guys, that if you have blocked nose, you cannot feel that much. And this is the first time, guys, I cannot feel much of the perfume because of my blocked nose, but things get better now. I will recover my nose and things will get much better. So Midnight Oud, 100%, guys. I recommend you guys 100%, especially when the price was so little. So that's my scent of the day of this beautiful Midnight Oud perfume. It's by Ard Al Zaafaran. Ard Al Zaafaran, Midnight Oud. This one, Oud Faza, guys, was also by Ard Al Zaafaran, perfume. And then what else do we have here? Okay, I have this one. Let me show you, guys. This particular perfume, guys, is Amir Al Oud. The box is here. I show you Amir Al Oud. You can write it down there on your computers. Amir Al Oud, guys. It's by Lattafa. Lattafa perfume, dupe for by the fireplace, and it's my lovable perfume. I like this perfume so much, to be honest, because I have more perfumes by Lattafa or Ard Al Zaafaran. I kind of tended to test other perfumes, and I really know that this particular perfume is very nice, but because I already know it's so nice, I don't even use it. Can you imagine? I know that this perfume is so nice, I not even need to test it for me. It's so cozy, guys. This guy's Amir Al Oud is very well known, guys, for being cozy perfume. If you want to have a cozy perfume, give it a go, guys. Amir Al Oud. There is some kind of caramel there, whatever, like a burning type of smell of caramel, and it becomes like kind of in a cozy way. So I think the oud that if there would be oud in here, that wouldn't be too sharp. Let's say this opulent oud, is pretty sharp. Oud. So this one is, I think it's kind of like, if you're a lady, 100% go with this one, guys. Amir Al Oud. Do I have any more perfumes, guys? Yes, I do. I have one more perfume. I show you right now. I have, guys, one more perfume. That would be Teef Al Hub. This perfume is not my lovable perfume, guys. I don't love this perfume that much. And I thought that I will love it just because the bottle looked so interesting. Teef Al Hub, guys. Unfortunately, it wasn't effective, guys, for me. Teef Al Hub, it has like a rose, there. It has a rose and something else. If I would need to choose any of these perfumes that I showed you before, I would definitely choose anything else. It's probably my least lovable perfume. It's it has some kind of little bit smell taken from Sheikh Al Sujuk, that type of maybe oud, that from Sheikh Al Sujuk. I don't feel anything. My nose is blocked, guys. But I remember it was like Sheikh Al Sujuk, but maybe lighter version. So, I think I need to figure it out, guys. How could I wear this perfume? Maybe to layer it with something else. Look at this beautiful bottle, guys. The bottle is just like a perfection, isn't it? Perfection of the bottle. So guys, let's say, with all of these particular perfumes, they are, guys, so nice. All of them are just super duper nice perfumes. Let me just kind of take them, these perfumes. But as I said before, to me, this particular Teef Al Hub, guys, is the least favorite. And here I have them, my perfumes, guys. Was 6 perfumes that I talked about, and I will say to you guys, bye-bye. I hope you're gonna have a beautiful, fantastic day. Really, if you want to buy one perfume, buy Midnight Oud and go on some kind of incredible journey of perfume discovery, that, and plus, discovering new compliments that people can give you with Midnight Oud. It's a perfume that is so affordable, but gives you some kind of insane compliments. That's all, guys. I'm gonna leave you at that. I'm gonna wave at you at this perfume right now, and have a beautiful day. See you soon. Like this video so we can meet each other again, and bye bye, guys.